How to log in to University of Arlington. So if you want to log into your University of Arlington account, then first open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with, and I'm here with Chrome browser. Simply go for the search bar and search for Arlington University login. And once you've searched, here you will have your first search, which is www.uta.edu. So click on that. Now it will take you to the login page. So to log into your account, first you need to enter your username on the first blank, and then you need to enter your password on the next blank. But if you don't remember your username or password, then you can simply go for forgot your username or password, and you can change your password, or you can reset or recover your password. Or you can also log in with your CV, or you can log in with your LinkedIn. You can choose any one of these options to log in. Or if you are a current employee, then you can select this link to log in. But if you don't have an account, then you can go for create an account and you can create your account. But to log in, simply enter your information and then click on login. And once you click on login, if your information is correct, then it will log you into your account. So that's it. That's how you log into your Arlington University account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.